How to unsubscribe emails from Gmail. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you unsubscribe emails from Gmail. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Gmail on your browsers, so you can open it by using your mobile phone, or you can also open by using your PC or laptop. So simply I'm opening through my mobile, so simply open any browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in this hospital you'll have to type for mail.google.com. So after you type it, you'll be able to visit the official site of Gmail. So from here you'll have to just request the site for desktop version. So on the Android you'll have to tap on three dot, and from there you'll have to go to the option desktop site, tap on the three dot, and from here you'll have to scroll down and go to the option request desktop mode. So from here you'll have to set it, and after you come on the desktop mode, you'll be able to see search interface. So from here you'll have to go the option search field. So in this search field you'll have to type for unsubscribe. So simply you'll have to search it. Alright, so after you search the unsubscribe, you'll be able to see all of the unsubscribe option from yours. So from here you'll have to go the option three line just at the right hand side of that search icon. So simply tap on that three line. Alright, so by tapping on that option you'll be able to see search interface. So from here you'll have to go the option create filter. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from the create filter section you'll be able to unsubscribe that mails from your Gmail. So for that you'll have to go the options like skip the inbox and archive it. So from here you'll have to choose it, and after you choose it you'll have to just click on this create filter option just at the bottom. So simply tap on this create filter. Alright, so after you tap on that option you'll be able to unsubscribe emails from your Gmail. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.